Try these ideas for some autumn self-care. Number 1, a pumpkin face mask. There's an abundance of pumpkin in the fall, and pumpkin has nutrients that are nourishing for your skin, particularly to suit the dryness from the cooler weather that your skin can feel. The best part is that pumpkin has vitamin A, which is an ingredient in retinol and anti-aging cream. Number 2, light a fall scented candle. The warm scents of fall are pleasing and create a calming sensory effect. Number 3, do a gratitude meditation. This means consciously expressing appreciation for the things you are thankful for right now. Check out this link for a gratitude meditation. Number 4, donate or volunteer. Whether you give your time, money, or belongings, giving is mood boosting. There's evidence that humans secrete feel-good chemicals in our brains, such as serotonin, dopamine, and oxytocin, when they take part in giving behaviors. Number 5, take a mindful nature walk. Notice what you smell, see, hear, and taste in the air. Touch the leaves and absorb the colors of autumn. Number 6, knit a scarf. There is something therapeutic about knitting. The focus and concentration required in knitting has the same effects as practicing mindfulness. Knitting can be twofold, as your mindfulness practice can result in a warm gift for the holidays. Check out the video for easy knitting and the description for where you can donate your knitting goods. Number 7, have yourself a foot bath. Check below for a herbal foot bath recipe. So relaxing. Number 8, jump or stomp on leaves. Need I say more? This is self-explanatory for its fun, playful charm. Number 9, allow yourself to enjoy the tastes of fall with no guilt. This is so important for the holidays. While we all want to be physically healthy, depriving ourselves of holiday foods can be emotionally unhealthy. Know your limits, but enjoy yourself. Number 10, join a book club and cozy up to a good book. A book club encourages interactions when the cooler weather can often make us turn inward and stay isolated at home. A good book nourishes our mind and soul.